here at my house, I'm gonna open up a loot bag from Tita, from Baby Carl Luis. That's his full name. Baby Carl Luis. He's already 4 years old. Thank you, Tita Lutis, for giving it to my mom, and my mom will give it to me, of course. Thank you. And I have a set here. They also gave me a slime. They also gave me one. I'm gonna open. Look at that. So cool. It's so blue. Whoa, it's so hard. Cool. Gonna get a piece of it. Yeah. Oh, I feel something hard. I feel something hard. Oh, I got a piece. Over here, it's sky blue if you're gonna do a piece. And more. Gosh, it's so hard. Oh my gosh. It's like there's a dry slime that will never come out. The dry slime. I can't. I don't know what kind of. I'll just get a piece. This is the slime. This is the slime. What kind of slime is this? But it's so hard to press, but it's okay. As long as I got my slime. Okay, because I buy my own slime and it sometimes gets, yeah, bad idea. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. I could, but let's try to get the hard thing that I told you a while ago. So I'm gonna put this extra piece in the folder. I'm gonna get the big fat thing. The big fat thing. Oh my gosh. It's a dinosaur, and that's already empty. It's a dinosaur inside. I don't know what kind of dinosaur is this. So guys, whoever knows this kind of dinosaur, please go to the comments and answer my question. What kind of dinosaur is this? Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so hard. Oops. The dinosaur still has extra. Let me put this here first. So we're gonna get out the dinosaur. I'll show you how it looks like, so you can put it. You can answer it properly in the comments. There you go. Here's the kind of dinosaur. Here's the kind of it. Here's the kind. Okay, this is the kind of dinosaur that I'm talking about. The kind of dinosaur. I don't know what type was this, so I hope you answer this one. This kind of dinosaur. I hope you answer the question. What kind of dinosaur is this? It has spikes here. Spikes. Where is it? It's like, yeah. I hope you can see it clearly. There you go. There's spikes. And this one, his body. So I hope you guess that in the comments below. Oh my gosh. There's the slime on his body. And this is the slime. This is the slime. It smells like bubble gum, and it smells also like the ocean. It's like bubble gum is involved in the ocean. It smells so good. Ah, it smells so good. He's like gonna try to drink water, like over here, like the water, and he's like going there and like drinking, and he was swallowed by the water. That's a bit weird. Should be like swallowed by the water, swallowed by the water. So I'm gonna put it over here at the side. Please, I'm gonna put it back. Oh, I made a fart. I made a fart. Who farted? Okay, now I'm gonna open this loot bag that came up with. Oh my god. It came in the set off This is so yummy. I was just kidding that I was like but it's so yummy. This kind of candy, which is the yummiest I ever taste. I'll put it over here. Oh, then more candies. This is also a lollipop. The flavor is strawberry and I think this kind, and it's called Happy Stick. Lipstick, I mean. Happy lipstick. Oh my gosh. It's one of my favorite. It's called Goya, my favorite coin. My favorite coin is I got a fish. Over here, I got a fish. I also saw a mini. Let's get a mini race truck. Also a mini. It's like the man's driving, just having a race. Also put it in the slime. Got my gold candy. This is also Wiggles. I never tried Wiggles. I can't wait to try Wiggles. I have Wiggles. Way the wee in the goal. Wiggles. Oh. Ooh. A mysterious thing happened to my life. What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, what is kind of this? What should you do with this? There's a gem inside and there's also a gem inside. Like, yeah, put it in your hair and be like, I have a strap yellow hair. I have a strap yellow hair. Just kidding. I'm gonna put it here. Answer us in the comments what was that thing. I'll show you it again. This one. Guess what kind of thing is this, please? I don't know even. I can use this in school even though I'm grade 4. I can still use a pencil. Here. It's so cool. I really totally love it. So cool. It's for boys, right? I love it too. It's called the magic pen. So when you pick it out, there's another over here, and there's another here. It's called a lead. Okay, put it back inside. Put it back. So here, it's not changing anymore. I got another candy. It's Mentos. Ooh, well, I also never tried Mentos, so I'm gonna try this later. Mentos. I hope this is yummy. I will put it here. Okay, now we're done. Now we're checking. This Bone Kiss. Is this here? Bone Kiss. I don't know what kind of thing is this because it's something inside. It's like something. And we have this one. No, it's not like the last candy. It's Yummy Bell. Oh, I keep seeing this in YouTube. Can't wait. Look, it's Yummy Bell. I can't wait to taste this because it has a lot of flavor. And there's some more inside the thing come out. Oh no! It's the biggest surprise. Look at this. It's a set of a notebook, a glue, a sharpener, a pencil, and especially ruler. Can't wait. I'm gonna open this thing up. Can I show you? It's a hat of Elsa having like powers here. She's like, yeah, it's her power over here. Put it here. And we also have our ruler, which is, I guess, no, it's not 1 inch. It's like, yeah, it's like smaller than a regular ruler. That it's Anna's here. Elsa's here. Elsa's again here. Anna, Kristoff, Olaf. Who is this thing? This, I guess. I don't know what's this. I forgot. Because I don't really watch Frozen anymore. I don't know who's this. So you also answer in the comments who's that. And here's Anna. Here's Hans. And here's Elsa. It's so small. I like it. Okay. Oh, I also have a set of glue. It's sticky glue. It's glue. Totally glue. It's totally glue. Look at that. And has Elsa on it too. Elsa over here. We'll just have our two of her and Elsa. Wait, there. You can see it too blurry over here. And here's the sharpener I'm talking about. Elsa's also so happy. I think it was her birthday that time, or Anna's birthday. No, it was Anna's birthday. I forgot. So I also watched that episode. This is the last thing. A pencil. A pencil. A pencil is so cool. Yes, I have another pencil. I can use this at school too, and it has a set of eraser over here at the tip, very tip, and also has a still sharp, so I have to sharpen it. Like, let's try to sharpen it. Oh, you tear the piece, like, yeah, tear that piece, you tear more and more, like that, and it tears like some, that. Okay guys, and the last thing is a plastic. The last thing is plastic. It's nothing anymore. And I hope you answer all of my questions. I hope you like and subscribe this video. Click the bell button for more information about my videos. Post of my more and more videos. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.